Is the Current app a great way to earn some extra rewards while you commute or while you run or while you work, or just in general earn some extra cash on the side just whenever it fits into your schedule? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have tested this app, and in this Current app review I will give you an inside look and I will show you my experiences with it and my opinion about whether this is worth your time or not. So let's take an inside look so you can see and judge for yourself. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of Get Paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. So I have now pulled up Current app here on the screen next to me so you can see exactly how it works, and now I can show you around and we can look into whether this will be worth your time or not. So let's just start by going over who can join, and it is available in more or less all countries, and you can download it through the App Store as you can see on the website here, or through Google Play. So if you have devices that run on iOS or Android, then you can use Current app. And one of the ways that Current app is known for letting you earn is by listening to music. So you can see they also have here inside, there is a tab called music, and this is where you can listen to different music numbers here, and you can just have it running, but you need to have your sound on. It does not count if you have muted your phone. And you can see up here in the corner what the current rate is, and then this is the currency they use inside Current. It is not actually cents. It could look like that, maybe the sign, but that is not the case. And later I will go more into exactly how much the points you earn are actually worth. So there are a lot of different genres you can listen to, and you definitely do not run out of music you can listen to. So if you like listening a lot to music, then it is of course an easy way to earn. But what the real question is then is if it is worth it, if you are mainly looking for a way to earn. If you're just listening to music anyways, then it can be a way, but there are some other things you need to be aware of before you actually install the Current app. In addition to the music that you can listen to, there is also an earn tab down here that you can see where there are different offers, and this is more like what you can find on many other Get Paid to apps or Get Paid to websites. And you can, for example, here play some games, or you can take some offers or actually take surveys, or you can also scroll over there and watch some videos. However, you just need to be aware, for example, with the games, that you need to allow Current access to some of the other apps, and in general to use Current you need to allow it to display certain things on top of what else you're doing on your phone. For example, when you have your screen locked, you will keep having some different ads and different things from Current actually popping up. Personally, I find that quite annoying, and that is one of the reasons that I would definitely think twice about having it installed. But if you like everything else about Current, then you can probably live with that. But it has plenty of offers here, but this is not what it as such is specialized in. This is an extra way to earn. So I would say if you like taking surveys, for example, and want a survey app, then there are definitely better options than Current app. And that also goes for the paid offers and for actually watching videos. So in my opinion, Current is mostly interesting if you would like to listen to music and you listen to it a lot from your phone, and then you can earn a little bit extra. But the other tasks here, because of the way Current works with how it needs permission to other apps and how it pops up different things and all that, personally I just find that a little bit annoying compared to, for example, taking service on other apps or taking offers on other Get Paid to apps and things like this. But that is just my personal opinion. But there is also one more way you can earn here. So let's just jump over here and take a look at that. So down here you can see there is a button called invite, and that is where you can get a referral link, and that means that you can get paid to invite other people to join. And at first here, when you go here, you can see it says $250. That of course looks very promising, and then you can earn up to $25 in points per friend, plus then 5% of their earnings. And then when you click to read a little bit more, there are of course some conditions, and you can see that then you get some points when they've listened to the first song, and also then you will actually get paid when they redeem here. And also, this is only valid for the first 10 redemptions that you will get these bonuses here, the 3,500 points, which we will get into the value of just in a minute here. But something that is also very important is what you see here, that it is valid for the first 10 redemption and within the first 90 days as a user, and you can only invite 10 friends. So that is a very limited referral program compared to many other get paid to apps or survey apps for that matter. So in my opinion and experience, it is not a very good referral program, and it is quite limited because you first of all can only invite 10 friends, and also it is only within the first 90 days. And with the earning opportunities inside Current app, it is very likely that they will not actually be able to earn enough for you to earn $25. So you need to be aware that is the absolute maximum. You will not necessarily get $25 per friend you invite. But if you test it and you think that you have some friends that would really like it, then why not earn a little bit extra by inviting some friends that you know will use it actively? So you of course also need to know how you can get your earnings out, because this is of course very important before deciding whether you should join or not. And you can go to the redeem section and then you can see what kind of payout methods it has. And it has different products, as you can see, but it also has PayPal Cash or different other gift cards you can use here. This can change from time to time and depend on the country you live in. The payout threshold and the value for the points might also be a little bit different in some countries. I cannot guarantee that because of course I cannot test in all countries, but if it happens to be different in your country than what is on my screen here, then please share that in a comment below this video here. But as you can see, the rewards are in general pretty good, but the conversion ratio can be a little bit confusing. The threshold is very low. I could get paid through PayPal already when I've earned $1, but that would also require 7,950 points. But if I wait till I have 9,950 points, I would get $3. So it definitely pays to wait a little bit longer. But as you can see, the value of the points is not very high. So when you earn, for example, 1.9 points per song you listen to, you can see that you really need to listen to a lot of songs to earn any real money here. But overall, it definitely has some great payout methods, and I do like the low payout threshold. So if you combine it with some of the offers and some of the surveys, even though I personally think they are better to take on other apps, then it can fairly quickly be possible to actually make it to the threshold and get out your money either through PayPal or some of the other rewards if you prefer that instead. Overall, I think Current has both positive sides and not so positive sides. I think it is fun that you can actually earn by listening to music. It is not something you can find on a lot of sites, and it definitely is an easy way to earn, and Current is a legit app. It actually does pay, so if you like listening to music, it can be a nice way to earn a bit extra. But the earning potential for listening to music is of course quite limited. You have to listen to a lot of music to earn any real money here. And the other offers you can earn here, like the paid offers or the service or the videos, there are just better sites to take these, in my opinion, where you can get a better value for your time. But I do like their payout methods and the low payout threshold, and it can be a fun app to use. I just personally do not like how it pops up and it has to have access to different other apps, and how it actually covers my lock screen and things like this. And also for that reason, I've decided that I will actually delete it because I find it a little bit annoying. But that is my personal opinion. It is free to join and to download. So if you want to give it a go, you can see yourself and see if it annoys you or if you actually think it's a great way to earn a bit extra. In my opinion, if your main goal is to earn some extra cash by using an app, then this is not a very effective way. If you like listening to music, then why not earn a bit extra at the same time? But if your main goal is to earn, then there definitely are more effective ways. And if you want to know even more details about Current app, or if you want to see a list of some of the apps or the sites that are more effective in my experience, if your main goal is to earn, then I have all that information on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. So make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.